Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of the Constant Contact Action Automation for Workflows. Let's get started. When your account is fully loaded, navigate to App Marketplace and search for the application you would like to install. Once you found it, click on it and click on Install to choose your account. Once your account is chosen, click Connect. Scroll down and click on Allow Install. A new tab pops up which contains a custom menu link. Click on the custom menu link to copy and now head back to your account. Click on Settings and on Custom Menu Link. From there, create a new custom menu link by clicking on Create New. Add in an icon of your choice. Give it a name, Constant. Paste your URL. Scroll down. Choose a sidebar preference. Select your account again and choose a role-based visibility. Click on Save. Once that is done, switch accounts and on your sidebar, scroll down and search for the new custom menu link you just created. Click on it. And as you can see, our application has been successfully installed, but it is not yet set up. So let's continue. From here, click on Connect and a new interface appears. On this interface, we have various tabs. The first tab is the Documentation tab, which has a link to a document containing information about the application. The next tab is the Tutorial tab, which contains a video and a set of smart cues that will help you get the necessary credentials when setting up this application. Next, we have the Setup tab, which is where we set up our application. Let's get into that. From here, head to Constant Contacts Developers Portal and log in. Once you are logged in, this interface appears. Click on New Application, give it a name, and click on Create. Next, you click on Edit, head back to our account, copy the redirect URL, and head back to the Developers Portal to paste here. Click on Confirm. Copy the client, head back to your account, click on Start Setup, and you paste it. Head back to the Developers Portal, click on Generate Client Secret, and you generate. Copy the client secret, head back to your account, and paste it. Click on Complete Setup, and here we can see our application is successfully connected. Next, we have the Support tab, where you can book calls and create tickets if you're facing any issues with our application. And the next tab, we have the Change Log, which could notify you any changes are made on any application. To receive notifications, double on this button, fill in your email address, and you click on Subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you next time.